Good afternoon, students. Now I want to explain in alkenes and alkynes how to give the numbering. You take this is the alkene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 carbon containing alkene. If alkene or alkyne both are get the same priority, but whatever it may be, either alkene or alkene, numbering should be get the least number. From that side only we can write one. If you write using the double bond, give the numbering priority high, but this is the lowest. But if you take triple bond, one get the highest priority. That's why how to in these two are get different, get the number lowest number. That's why the alkyne will give the first priority, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. This is hept 5 in one ion. In and ion means A E I O U Y. If is there Y and in is there, E get the cancel, then Y you write the ion. Hept 5 in one ion. This is the correct one. If you take this is double bond, this double bond, this double bond, which will give the highest priority. First you have to rule number 1 is the carbon chain which get the highest number of double bond, that is the main chain. Here if you take either from this side or you take from this side, if you get this time also you get the 2 double bonds from using this one, but the number of carbon is less. If you choose this one 6, you get the 7, then you have to automatically equal number of double bonds plus longest chain. That's why this is the main chain. This is taken as a substituent. Which type of substituent this is? This is this is the double bond ethene. If you remove one hydrogen, there is substituent is ethynyl. If methane, if you remove the one hydrogen, then you get the methyl. If it is ethyl, if you remove the one hydrogen, then what is the substituent? Ethynyl. Ethynyl, and methyl. This is the naming. What is this carbon? This is 4 ethynyl hept 1,3 1,6 diene. This is the correct numbering. If you take this one, this is the longest carbon chain. Because why? Because this is the getting the 2 double bonds, maximum number, longest carbon chain. That is what is this is ethynyl. 4 ethyl, 5 ethynyl, 1,7 diene. That is the correct numbering. In case of cycloalkenes, numbering is given. If you take numbering, first priority for substituent or alkene get the more first priority. That is 1, 2, 3 bromo cycloprop 1 ene. That is the correct numbering.